Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today in this video we are going to be trying to get every single dog variant. Please like and subscribe and enjoy watching the video. Get a snack, get a drink, get any juice like or something, popcorn, get anything you want. You can even listen to my voice while sleeping if you would like to. I don't know why you would, but yeah. Anyway, but today in this video we are getting every single dog variant. I haven't been posting because I was a bit sick, but I still went to my friend's house. But it's fine, I guess. I hope. I'm not sick anymore. I was only like a little sick, and I got injured in the farmhouse. It's just a small scratch, bleeding. It's fine. I built this. I forgot to record. I thought I was recording last time, but I wasn't. So I decided to record today and this morning. So we got the Peter Griffin rabbit. Oh my god, what am I saying? I meant Peter Griffin over here. Yeah, I named him Peter. Don't ask why. Ow. Let me see this one. We got the Peaceful Pillager. This took me like 5 to 10 minutes. Didn't really take that long. We got under. This took me 1 to 2 hours. Why is the biome so hard to find? And plus, it took me kind of a bit long just to make him hold it, because he was literally just wandering around, just teleporting. After that is Wandering Trader, obviously. I mean, yeah, I kind of copied Lockdown Life. I'm sorry if I copyrighted it. Please do not strike me. I just want to become a YouTuber, please. Whoa! Oh, no way. Okay, I'm happy I'm safe. Got the Wandering Trader over here. Did the theme on the floor. And then the last two one, the Screaming Ronaldo, which is a goat. And then the Spider Jockey. Oh, yeah. Spider Jockey. Anyway, now we're going to start finding every single one. Oh, so we might need to place them there. Like every single one. I know there's more, there's like 10, 7 I think, mostly. So that's why I got leashes. Alright, so we need bones, we need bones. We need BONES, which is important also. I think I have somewhere in my chest. Yeah, bone. Okay, what am I doing? Why am I checking here, bro? Yeah, I remember that. Oh, never mind. Because you could, I just realized, I could get from here, but I don't know why there's those now. Only one! Okay, what's here? How am I getting only those much? I'm getting confused, bro. Oh no. And whatever, anyway. We'll just go with it, I guess. I mean, so, yeah. Josh! Anyway, let's go on a journey. Wait, do I have my lost song with me? Yeah, okay. Because I am so bad at remembering where I live, bro. I swear to God. Maybe I need to write it down on a piece of paper. I think that's what the other YouTubers do. Well, that's chicken. I swear to God, if I find a pink sheep, I'm gonna go outrageous. Because then, first of all, I could get it on my mob phone. Not my mob phone. I would trap it first of all, and anyway, obviously. Third of all, I would probably trap it into my mob rarity place. So, is that pink? Oh, it's just pigs. Oh! Yo! Don't mind me then. Alright, let me up. Alright, time to get some banners. While chatting, I don't think I need that. Oh, I could. Oh, wait. Maybe next video when I finish the mob farm and this dog. Maybe the next video I'm gonna make a item rarity. Yeah. I just realized. What is that there? In that structure. Anyway. Let's see. Yeah, that's all I got. Okay. That's not good. I expected more, but okay. There's the banners here. I didn't know what I expected. I thought I was gonna get some crazy loot, like smithing temple and stuff. Oh yeah, this is, by the way, this is the place where I got my peaceful pillager, not villager, pillager. I mean, obviously. Like, try one for one. I bet. Oh hell no, my shit. Oh heck yeah, let's go. What? You guys are nothing. I did not murder one. I did not. Ow. You missed. Imagine. Imagine missing, bro. Anyway, let's just run out. Whoa. Imagine if I get a charge creeper. I can't even get that. Yep, I knew it. It was a structure. Don't. Ow. Oh wait, I've never seen these kind of structures this big. That's cool. Yo! No, I swear on my life, I just found it like that. Oh my. Oh, I wish I had took this on that. Anyway. I need to be. Ow! I hate baby zombies and drowns, bro. I swear to God, they're the fastest in the world. Leave me alone, please. Is that obsidian? How did obsidian get here? Is there another portal here? There we go. I'm just back. I'm not scared. I am not scared. Ooh. I'll take this one though. Yow. Oh, what is, oh, I'm very far. Cool. No, I wish, oh wait. You thought you could hide. That's very well you tried. What? What? Excuse me? What? Why is there so many zombies? Excuse me, what? 2 unbreaking ones. Fully. Excuse me. Ow. What? Oh my goodness. Let's go. I can do, wait, I think I've looked at this here, like enchantment. I think like 1 or 2. That's not like the enchantment, not stupid. No, well. Oh, I wish I had the brush. Need a brush. Yeah, I hope there's a cave nearby. I need to find copper. I need copper. Okay, I guess my luck is turning around today. Oh my goodness. Please tell me that I don't. Oh, never mind. I heard that blast furnaces is faster than normal ones. I don't think that's true. I'm not sure. I only played somehow for like many years, like 4, 3, but mostly on my Xbox. 1 year on my PC. 2 of the years or 3 on Xbox. I didn't really like PlayStation that time because I mean it was a good choice. I mean I need that 1 meal, so thank you. And now I'm on my journey to find copper again. Now what exactly is going on here? I knew it, lava. I am so lucky. I swear to God, I just found this place. Please be copper as I'm unlucky. Wow, slow down. There's no copper. This can't be. Oh. Yes, Sirski. It's only useful copper for literally brush. I need that brush, bro. Why did I place down this? Love God. Oh. Well, does bone meal what? Okay, I thought it worked for a second. Yeah, there's coal nearby, right? What am I saying? Excuse me? Emeralds! Yes, sir. I don't know, what is my luck turning around or something? Cool, behind. Just what I needed then. My luck is actually turning around. Heck yeah, bro. Thank you. Alright, now we're not unlucky. Now where exactly? Oh, yeah, whoa. I think this is... Huh? Yeah! Ow! Stop hitting me! I said stop! What? Oh. Hiya! Looking for extra emeralds in case. Pretty sure I placed. Am I going crazy? I might be going crazy. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Excuse me, where's my furnace? Sir God, if you don't stop hitting me. Oh, we're at the right time. Huh? Oh. Why is it there? Oh my God, I'm so dumb. Why did I even do it there? Oh well. My mouse has an auto clicker. The thing is, when I click it, when I look, it clicks so fast. It's like an auto clicker. But the thing is, it makes me do this. And there's a button. Like, bro, what? Like, before it didn't do that, but now it did after letting my friends use it. Yeah, I think they broke it. Or possibly they did something with the settings on it. Yeah. Anyway, I don't care about that. Now, how do I make a brush? Because I'm so dumb that I don't remember it. Oh, I need feather. Alright. Oh, Chicon! Oh, you what? Oh, I thought that was like a wither. Burning. Oh, Chicon. Healer. Thank you. Oh, I don't want that. Healer. Me Burke. Thank you. Oh yeah, I need stick. Alright, let's just go back, guys. I'm super dumb for this thing. And I think I lost the place where I literally was. Like where I was at the... Only need one, get out! Uh-oh, I don't have space. Yeah, I can just see it there. Or my smart bean can just do this instead. Get out. Get out and do. Oh, I'm so dumb. Yeah, there we go. Oh my God. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Get out of my inventories. Please, I don't want you in my... Do I have any more trash? Yes, you. Copper is kind of useful. Only for the... what do you call it? Brush. Yeah, brush. It's only useful for brush. That's the... To be honest, it's still useless. All of these child chambers, it's still useless, no matter what. Sir, I would not like raw copper, please. I do not want that. Anyway, now we're back on the journey, and I think I went... Yeah, no, I'm just going farther down. Yeah, it's definitely this place. Like there. Yeah, maybe I was wrong. How could I lose that place? I should have written the coordinates in the chat. Well, not in the YouTube chat. I meant in this Minecraft chat. Okay, so when I turned around. Oh. Oh. Okay, there. Where is this thing? Are you serious, bro? How am I so dumb just to forget? Write L in the chat if you want to, I don't care. I'm so dumb, bro. I was too focused on where is the crafting table and furnace. Whoa, I almost died. And I'm going up. And up. And no, it's not there. Oh, where? Oh, it's here. Uh-huh. Okay, it's gonna take me 1 year, am I? It's over here. Yep, found it. Too easy. Okay, first of all, I don't know why I need that. Oh. Bet. No. Alright. Oh, yep. That would be as rarity item. And I don't know where to put those. Yeah. You're coming with me. You're going in, you're going in, you're going in. You're, and I'm taking you, and that's all I'm gonna take, to be honest. Hey, no, I need that. Yay. I hate sandstone, leave me alone. Okay. Okay, thank you. We know I need to get out of my shotgun then. I need the map for the... Thank you. Alright, now we can start the journey. Alright, so where was I again? Yeah, okay, so... Okay, so the place... Yeah, okay, yeah, I found the place. I'm just right there. Yep, and that's too easy. Good morning, I'm back. So don't hit me, please. Oh, I hate the baby zombies. Please do not touch me. I invoke the fifth. I am not a lawyer, bro. I was gonna break it. Ooh, quarter shards. Alright, I'll take that. And I will be taking this lapis as confiscation. Ow. Ow! Stop hitting me! Please! Stop! I am, mercy, please! Mercy, comrades. What? There's another? Heck yeah. Gimme. Boy, what kind of loot is this? Yeah, at least there's a buried one. Youch. Give me this elytra now. Oh, youch. Excuse me. I don't know how the hell I get that. I mean, heck, sorry. Get this out. So I got another one, and I just got a Curse of Banishing one. That's sick. No, don't. Please, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I promise I didn't kill one of your sons. Um. Okay, yeah, I don't think there's anything else. So you're telling me I just went all the way there, back and forth, just to get only one item, which is the pottery shard? Are you really serious right now? Oh! And, yeah, get me out. Please. There you do this. Well, I have 3 now. Now there's another one. Now there's another one. Trash loot. Garbage. Absolute garbage. Come on, mate. Come on, matey. Come on, comrade. Oh my! Sir, please do not touch me right now. I'm trying to... Comrades, look what we have gotten. What the hell? What the heck? I meant sorry again. Let's go, matey. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Please tell me this works. No. Let's go! Yep, that's my new fishing rod. Yep, get in there. I don't know which one I use. This one, probably. No, I don't want you there. I in fact hate you. Get in there. You get in there. Since when you were in my inventory? Nom. Sir, can't you see I'm in a happy moment? Wait, I can get in jamming books, can't I? I am him. I am officially him now. You cannot talk now. I am him. 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 Wait. Oh yeah. Okay, that sounds trash. Anyway. Thank you, Minecraft gods, for giving me these. I appreciate it. Holy sh... What the... Not... what are you doing here, B? No. Okay, I'm not gonna... Okay, why do I feel like I have hiccups? Anyway. So, where is the bird one? Looks the same. Absolutely suspicious. But okay. Where could this be? Oh, nice. It's basically nearby. Where? Okay. Oh, wow, it's in the same place. It better not be, I swear. Wait. Huh? That makes no difference then if it's the same. Well, I just wasted my time. Anyway, okay, what am I saying? I'm sorry for that, guys. Wait, is there at least another chat? Sorry. Sorry. For a second I thought I saw another. Because if there was, I would be dancing. Let me out. Yes! Okay. I invoke the fifth, so yeah. Anyway. We're still looking for one wolf. Ah, what is that? We see an enderman. Let's just look at it. Then he's gonna follow me. And then he's gonna be like, roar. I've never seen this before. Well, I have, but not many times, and I love seeing it. Yeah, what's wrong? Hmm? What's wrong? You're too scared? Ah, you're too scared, huh? Wanna fight, huh? What are you doing, huh? Why are you only looking? Exactly. I fear you, but you fear me now. What's up, bro? Wanna fight? Come on! Come on, aren't you pro? Man, you suck. What are you doing? Gotta go into prison. Okay, I don't want. No, no, no. Okay, there's no wolves here. Oh my god. Do-da-do-ba-do-ba-do. Moja, Moja. Okay, did I just accidentally run near my base? Wait, you telling me all of those were near, like, around the behind? Bruh. The whole entire time! Oh, new direction, I guess. We're going northwest. I think. Oh, basically, sorry, northeast. Wait, it's even. Yeah, this northeast it is. Why the heck did I just see 2 cows on 5 block? What? Oh, yep. 3 ender pearls. Okay, those are. Why do they make louder sounds now? Meow, meow. Yeah, I'm getting scared. Woo! You're behind me? No. Yeah, anyway. Let's just continue this. This video is about to become 30 minutes. Oh, one only. Where are the wolves? There has to be a wolf. There has to be at least one. Oh, I hope I find something rare in this village. It's just called a dog, wolf. Okay. They make no difference. Armadillo! Wake up. Sorry, I'm sorry. What is it like? Is it like meat? No? Doesn't budge. Oh well, I don't care. Now I kind of feel bad. Yes, go! Bundle! Bundle! I can suck everything. And I can just take out simply. Yeah, get him, spider. I mean, get him, iron golem. Yeah. Ahem, ahem. I am not stealing your blocks, villagers. Although I am. Oh. Ahem, ahem again. Ahem. Give me that. I don't think I need yellow light to be honest. Whoa, buddy, chill. What I do, boy? You're not even a villager. Goes a mist. Yeah, that was smooth. Ahem, ahem. I like that very much. Smooth like butter, like a criminal. Okay, what am I saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a villager farm. Like, oh god. What? Wait, can I stack a stack of a stack? Okay, I did not know that. Why am I so surprised? I need to calm down. I'm going crazy, bro. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. I'm running like a blizzard away. What am I saying? I have no idea. I'm going crazy. Come here, Shulker, Shulker, Shulker. Shulker, 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 Shulker. Shulker, Shulker. How is there no wolves? Can I at least see a dog? Nope, that's just a pig. Extra lava. Is that pink sheep? Okay, no. If that was, I'm gonna scream. Okay, no, it's not. I'm so confused. Where is it? I mean, where are they? Sorry. Hello, doggies, doggies. Whoa! Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're coming with me. Can I just put you into a bundle? Damn it. I wish you could. Okay, that would kind of be inappropriate. Anyway, sorry. Do you like They like bones. Alright, you guys stay over here while I go kill these skeletons. Oh, gimme, gimme, gimme! I need them all. Give me all of it. Hello. May I have your bones? You too. Thank you. I don't care about these guys. Hello. Oh, shot all the way into non-existence, guys. I don't know. But imagine hitting them one time. If you critical them like that, it's hitting them 2 times basically. Exactly. I know where you live and what? I wish that was charged on. Oh, it's becoming daytime. This is bad. How much do I have? 10? That's not enough. Wait a minute. Is there a blacksmith here? No? Okay, I'm leaving then. And I'm taking tax. I'm just gonna confiscate your chemistry stuff. Oh, wait, there's... Yay. Inside. Yeah. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry that I keep on acting weird. But I swear to God, if I don't... Okay, thank God. I am not losing everything. Go. Wait. How did these spawn? What the... Oh. Wait, what? No, it's only one. Oh, wait, no, 2. They're just around somewhere, I guess. Good. Oh, first try. Get over here. First try? I remember it takes like 400 trillion bones just to tame them. I swear to God, thank you, Minecraft. Come here. Oh yeah, they can teleport. What's that? Come on, let's go. We are going to the place so close, though. My house. Later, we're going to my house. Oh, ow. Okay, later, doggies, we're going to my house, Bo. I'm gonna call you all Winston. I feel like it. Winston number 1, Winston number 2, Winston number 69. Actually, whoever comments like first and second and third, I will name 3 of those dogs the name exactly that you say. Exactly what you say. So whoever reach until this 34 minutes, I will be, if you comment any random name, I will literally do it, except inappropriate words. I'm obviously not going to allow that. I mean, who even wants that? Not me. So yeah. I want to see if they die. Huh? So they tried to follow me, and then only I'm on the ground, they teleport. Yeah, that's the best thing Minecraft ever featured. Thank you. Now I can look for them peacefully at the same time. Like, whoever doesn't love Minecraft, I'm not your friend anymore, bro. Just please leave the server. I don't want you anymore, bro. Nuh-uh. Ooh, canyons. Oh, still not what I'm looking for. Is there any more doggies? Hello, doggies. Yeah, there's no more. Okay, where is the compass now? Okay. It's saying to go. Wait, how far am I first? Yeah, I'm not that far. I'm just thousands of blocks away, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Well, 1,000 to 2,000. Well, in the meantime, let's talk about like stuff we love. Why not? So for me personally, I like. Let's talk about food. Comment in the chat what you like what kind of food do you love and stuff. What the? Did someone use magic here? Anyway. For me, I usually like ramen. Yes, I know, I like ramen noodles, so what? It's really good. I mean, who doesn't love ramen noodles? That's my top favorite one, but if I have to say, like, normal food, not like Japanese, Korean and stuff, I would say anything. Anything, to be honest. I just love every food. Yeah, I guess. What? Hey, where's the dogs? Oh, guess what my stupid brain forgot? I didn't name tag them. Well, let's try that again. I swear to God. All that pain just to find Morgan. That doesn't work. Well, what was that suffering for? Just to finally find one? Nothing for now. Yep, I just suffered for no reason then. Yahoo! Please come. Yeah, there's zero chance they're coming. Why did my luck just have to go falling down there? Let's try finding another one. La 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 la. I wanna find some doggy dog. La 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 la. There better be some wolves. Excuse me? Please tell me that's one. Get out. I hate you, cow. You are my enemy now. I will target you. I'm joking. Chill. Oh wait, please tell me there's a winter dog here. I think that's what they're called. Please tell me there's a winter dog. Please tell me there's a winter dog. Please tell me there's a... I hate you, chicken. Please tell me it's here. 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 Come on, it has to be somewhere. It has to be. Come on. No. This can't be happening. No way. No way. This can't be happening. Oh, look how cute this bunny is. Get back here. Oh, it's a rabbit killer, I think. Man, why are they so small? I don't know how even to see the hitboxes. Like, is it F? Like, yeah, I don't know how, but someone tell me in the comments what it is or something. Well, looks like I just lost a dog. Bruh, this is not good then. I wish I had another dog. this game that I just found now. It went now. It went now. Damn it. Well, instead of finding a dog, I found this. I heard that there was diamonds under always. We're going to be testing if that's true, that theory. Yeah, that was unexpected, huh? How many dirt of these are there? Okay, yeah, this is deep. How deep is this? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it's still going. How much dirt of these are there? I invoke the fifth, do not touch me. La la la. Oh! Bruh. Let's go back. Wah, wah, wah. Ba, 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 ba. Everybody's kung fu fighting. Ding 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 ding. Everybody's kung fu fighting. Ding 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 ding. I know, me stuck. I know, guys. I lost everything now. I lost my 5 trillion hardcore world. No, 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 no. That's how every YouTubers are. I swear to God. They have a pickaxe. They don't want to use it. They're like, no, ow! I lost everything! Please, guys, like and subscribe because I lost everything! And then they just use creative somehow. Sir? Did I see what you're holding? That's rare. Yeah, that's rare because there's no kind of grass like that. The swamp's grass here. Wow, I could have captured it, but I'm not going to take 1 trillion times. No way I'm doing that. Man, will I ever find a dog? Are they too scared or something away from me? Come on, man, you'll just be trapped in a cage forever in your life. Come on, May, there has to be. Well, there isn't. Yeah, there isn't any dogs. How unlucky am I for the dogs? It's just a wolf, bro, come on. Hey, okay, bro. And anyway, so yeah, bye guys, I had enough. I'm tired.